Hi there, how are you doing? My name is Victoria Iga, and I'm right here with Mr. Andrew. And yes, sir, we are both students of Victoria University, and we are handling this module called Distributive System Development by Mr. Alex Baziga. All right, the question that we've been given right here is to develop a simplified ride-sharing application that definitely calculates distances between the starting point and then the destination point. And the disclaimer is that we should not use databases for data retrieval. So going forward, we have our folder here that we created, and as you can see, we saved it in downloads. So it is a distance calculator. In here, if we are to open here, we can see the index over here. We're going to go through the source codes real quick. We used a bunch of languages. We used a bunch of CSS, and aside from CSS, we also used HTML. CSS was majorly to style it out. Now we're going to use a notepad to just view a bunch of codes. View in here, we are more interested onto the output, but let me just take you through the codes. Now, according to our question here, we needed to use an API to calculate it all, and now this API is supposed to be added onto this code right here. And as you can see, we are supposed to enter it here, but because of the Google Cloud limitation that it needed payments and so on, we're not able to put it on. However, this is what we did. After having this code already, we needed a third party, and that is XAMPP. Now, I'm going to put this distance calculator folder onto XAMPP. We're just going to copy on, going to see, just as you can see. XAMPP is right here, and we need to go to htdocs, and then we paste it on in order to paste it on. Now, after here, just going to go to XAMPP. Now, this is a software that you just have to download and then install, and it will be able to help somebody view their applications. We're going to start Apache and also start MySQL. Clicking onto Explorer, taking us onto, as we can see over here, we are into C and then the XAMPP. So everything that is going to be open in the XAMPP will be connected to the C drive. And as you know, we already have it on. Now we're going to need a browser that is going to help us view whatever that we have really done on. All right. As Chrome is really opening, we need to type on localhost. All right, it was a distance calculator right there. If we were to hit onto that, that was the name of the folder as you saw earlier on, and it was pasted onto C, and we're opening it with the XAMPP. As you can see, this is our application that is going to calculate, that is supposed to calculate, let's say from compiler to enter. These are the two CDs. All right, it's a B right there. Then we are to submit. Now this error in here, this page can't load Google Maps correctly. Yes, it's because of the codes of the API that is actually missing. So that is it for now. However, that is what we can really say right now. In order for us to ensure that this actual application does work, then we needed to include something nice like the API onto the API, as you can see, according to this. Alright, it is running because it is on XAMPP. Alright, let's open it again. Alright. So we literally used Notepad++ to come up with all the codes, and also we tried a bunch in I mean with the Visual Studio Code as well. You can also try a bunch of other coding applications like softwares. Yes, so that is it for me and Andrew for you, and may God really, really, really bless you. In case you have any questions, you just feel free to just reach out. God bless you.